Salt Lake City, known for its order, its silence, and its promise of safety. But on January 9, 2025, a routine stop would collapse into chaos. This is where it starts. A white truck, a missing signal, a minor infraction.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Just testing it out. We're just filling out the vehicle until they bought it.
Have a seat in your car.
Oh, okay.
Appreciate it.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Have a seat, though.
I didn't know you took
Is
it
this
off.
your car?
Yeah, it's mine. Right here. Billy bought it.
Hey, so I'm stopping you. I'm Officer Payton, Salt Lake City Police.
Yeah, I know.
I'm stopping you because you didn't signal when you turned in right here.
The front headlight I found out is the bulb had fallen out just a minute ago, and I was at Maverick. I found that out from the other officer, and that's why I was heading back to the house.
The man explains that he just popped the car and found out that a blinker wasn't working. Officer Payton then went to his cruiser to run the VIN of the vehicle.
What is this?
My title, paperwork. They're supposed to have it in on Monday, but they told me it was going to take a few more days.
Gotcha, okay.
And I just didn't want to be out driving it until I know it's perfectly safe.
The man then gives Officer Payton his title and paperwork. Payton then returns to his cruiser again to finish the stop until the unthinkable happens.
Wider.
Bro, what are you doing? Get back.
A second man who's not the driver unexpectedly knocks on Officer Payton's window.
What are you doing, dude?
This is Chandler Grillone.
Huh? Get up here in front of the car right now.
This is a citizen's audit.
Do what I said.
No warning, no reason, just erratic words and strange behavior.
What the fuck are you talking about?
This wasn't Chandler Grillone's first encounter with law enforcement. However, you'll soon see that this man has a very complicated history. He was diagnosed with schizophrenia. His mother, Rhonda, says she fought for 15 years to get him treatment, hospitals, crisis centers, but no lasting care. Payton issues commands, clear, loud, repeated. Grillone refuses. He mocks and taunts the officer. He appeared confused and non-compliant, potentially due to the effects of the schizophrenia.
You better get on the ground.
And the car handle.
Get on the fucking ground.
Who are you?
You better get on the fucking ground, dude.
That's my possession. Beat it.
Bro, I'm not.
Right. What did I do? I sniffed you. What's your name?
Bro, get the. Drop it now! Drop it!
Is that a taser?
Fucking drop it!
I rented it.
You better drop it.
Yeah, put the spring on that.
Get on the fucking ground!
What? What did I do?
Get on the ground!
Here you go. That's yours.
Get on the ground!
Where's the equipment? You don't have authority to tell me to get on the ground. Can I get a truck, bro?
According to KUTV, Chandler also had a very similar situation where he attempted to grab an officer's gun back in 2021, showing an unfortunate pattern of misconduct with law enforcement. And then, in May 2024, the Cathedral of Magdalene, Chandler charged the altar during Mass, swinging a bamboo sword, hitting 2 parishioners, and punching another. He was charged but sent to mental health court, a chance to recover, but a chance that didn't last. By January, he was out again, off medication, alone, and walking straight into tragedy.
Can I get a truck, bro?
Get in there! Stop!
Grillone doesn't stop. He jumps into the truck bed, attempting to dull the effects of the officer's taser. He then moves towards the officer's partner.
What's the taser gonna do? Did I pull anything on you?
Motor 925, he's got a knife.
It's not a knife, you liar. You don't know what it is. Identify it. How big? How many inches? How many rapes have you done? Shit.
You better stop, dude.
I know you don't have ammunition on you.
Yeah.
This is the final moment. Officer Payton fires shots. The scene stabilizes. Grillone is down. Payton holds his post, barking commands, shaken but composed as help arrives.
Hey. Let's go. How many rapes you done?
Bro, roll over. Well, I'm on the north side. Shots fired. I can't see in his hands. Yeah, get in your truck. Stay in your truck.
You good?
He's got something in his hand. I think it's a knife.
Okay.
He came after me. I don't know if I've been cut.
Okay.
I shot.
Do not move. Do you hear me?
He's okay. He's okay.
Okay.
You have to stay, okay? You have to stay.
I got you guys back, no matter what. I got you.
I don't know where I hit him. I'm pretty sure it's a torso shot.
Okay. He's got something in his hand. You're good. You're not caught. You're not hurt.
Chandler Grillone was 32, diagnosed schizophrenic. His mother, Rhonda, says she tried for years to get him care. He didn't need to be in the street. He needed to be somewhere safe. Payton followed policy, gave warnings, called for help, even used his taser, but fired when a threat became immediate. But the question remains, how did a man in crisis end up in that moment? There is no satisfaction in this outcome. But there is clarity in what the officer did. Sometimes officers face the consequences of a system that failed long before they arrived.